10 easy ways to become rich. Most, if not all, of us want to live in financial security and comfort. We want to be affluent, able to buy whatever we want and enjoy a comfortable lifestyle. Although the end goal is obvious, it can be difficult to know where to start your path to wealth. Before you get started, keep in mind that being wealthy takes time and effort. There are just a few ways to quickly amass large sums of money, and they all depend on chance. Not everybody has the opportunity to win the lottery or inherit a fortune from a distant relative. In most situations, being wealthy necessitates a great deal of effort, patience, and time. There are some tried and true strategies for becoming wealthy, but the trick is to work hard on a daily basis, keep track of your personal finances, and keep your sights on the prize. Number 1, make a difference. Many self-made millionaires have one thing in common. They are important in unique ways. And when billionaires and millionaires are excluded, many wealthy people, physicians, engineers, and filmmakers have become wealthy by first adding value to themselves and then adding value to the planet. A wealthy neurosurgeon, for example, may be exceptionally talented and professional. After developing their own skills and quality of life, this surgeon added value to the world. Adding value to yourself is a good place to start on your road to wealth. Develop some expertise or skills that would encourage someone to pay you a fair wage. Persuade others that you are worth a high salary because you can bring value to their lives. Number 2, pay your own taxes. Saving money is an idea that has been around for a long time. When you really want something though, it's very easy to dip into your savings. The secret to achieving your aim of accumulating wealth is to make an effort to save money. Viewing your savings as taxes is another way to look at them. Once you've paid your taxes, you'll never get your money back in full. In the same way, you can treat your savings. Set money aside in a savings account or move it to an account that you won't be able to touch. Treat your savings as if it were money you'd never see again until the day you get it all back at once. Number 3, make a plan and stick to it. The chances of unexpectedly coming upon limitless wealth are extremely slim. Although it might seem that all the success stories you hear are based on chance, this is not the case. While there is some element of chance and luck involved, most affluent people have amassed their wealth by diligent preparation and discipline. Budgets and schedules are included, as well as a roadmap for what to do at each point along the path to success. It's important not to become complacent and to do your best to keep going, and getting a plan will help you avoid wasting time. Creating and sticking to a budget is just one step in this process. Number 4, make an investment. The underlying concept of investing is that you make more money than you spend. However, it is important to make informed investment decisions. There are numerous places where you can invest your capital, but determining which one will yield a profit is difficult. Real estate can be a good investment at times, but it is also costly. Stock market investing does not have to be costly, but it can be risky and unpredictable. A 401k is a wise investment that you can make, but it is based on the success of the organization you work for. When it comes to investing, there are several things to consider, so make sure you think about it rationally. Before making a decision, consult with experts or friends who have invested before. Number 5, start a company. This is much easier said than done, but the final 4 steps lay the foundation for you to be able to start your own business. This can be a perfect way to make money if you have a knack for business or want to be your own boss. However, as many entrepreneurs would tell you, starting a company requires a large initial investment and low sales. Being an entrepreneur isn't a fast way to get rich. It's a total lifestyle change. It comes with its own set of challenges and rewards, and it's always well worth it. This is not, however, a decision to be taken lightly. To be good, you'll need dedication, grit, and a little luck. While it will take some time, it will ultimately assist you in becoming wealthy. Number 6, give thanks. Many personality traits must match for you to succeed at whatever venture you've started in order to become wealthy. It's important to remain humble and thankful for the progress you've made along the way. People do not want to give their money to someone who does not seem to value it, or who becomes too enamored with even moderate performance. The way to go is to keep your life in perspective and have a considerate, grateful, and humble attitude. Number 7, work on your patience. Patience is another significant personality attribute for success and prosperity. Nothing significant is done immediately, and you will not become wealthy in a matter of days. All of your efforts to accumulate wealth may take months, if not years, to pay off. It's easy to get upset early on, particularly when it seems like every other day there's a new wealthy individual in the news. However, it is important to realize that your performance does not have to keep up with theirs. Patience can be immensely satisfying in the long run. This isn't to suggest that you can become complacent and sit it out rather than take chances. It takes time to achieve success, and being discouraged can impede your efforts. Number 8, you should educate yourself. It is important to try and educate yourself not only in your chosen area, but also in worldly matters. Keeping up with the news, for example, is critical if you want to make an investment decision or learn about upcoming developments. Any attempt to make money is suffocated by ignorance. This implies that you must continue to educate yourself. You can't afford to ignore big events or developments because each one poses a danger or an opportunity for you. It's important to keep updated and informed about current affairs. Number 9, take fair risks. There is no way to make money without taking a gamble. Any method of making money, whether it's starting a company or investing in stocks, involves some degree of risk. Even selling old furniture entails taking a chance that the buyer will turn up and pay you. As opposed to determining whether or not to spend millions of dollars on a new product line, it's a minor risk, but it's still a risk. To make money, you must take a gamble that a business or idea you have would succeed. As a result, it's important to consider and weigh several potential consequences before deciding whether or not an investment is worthwhile. Taking chances without considering the consequences is a surefire way to lose money. Risks must be taken in order to raise money, but they must be measured risks. Number 10, return the favor. Giving back to the community is important. This connects to the previous argument about bringing value to the planet. Give any of your earnings to a cause that you believe in. You are adding value to the planet after adding value to yourself in this way. Giving to charity has another advantage. It makes people think of you as a better person because you support things they care about. When they see that you aren't planning on hoarding the money they send you and that doing so would help their society, they are more likely to trust you. Of course, the tax advantages of donating to charity are a powerful motivator. Every person's definition of wealth is different. Some people are comfortable with a modestly sized home and a middle-class career, while others strive to be millionaires or billionaires. These measures will help you reach the amount of wealth you want, regardless of where you think you fall on the continuum. However, before you begin, make sure to organize your current finances so that your bank account is ready to grow. If you want to know more financial tips like these, make sure to give this video a like and click subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.